What's up, peeps? So in this video, we'll be talking about West Indies Synthetic Company, otherwise known as Wisynco. As one of the big threes when it comes on to somewhat manufacturing and distribution. So in this video, we'll be talking about the history of the company, why it's not getting as much love as it should be. I don't know why. The products and services, plus its subsidiaries and its foundations, in addition to its financials, which are going to also put in like relative valuation, the dividend, the point analysis, etc. etc. And all of my stock analysis are now going to fall under this like a new series that I'm going to call Trading Compass. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Oh, that's it. Let's begin. First, I encourage you guys, please subscribe. Aim is 3K by year end. So, help with it. Anyways, alright, so what does Wisynco actually do? Wisynco really does two main things. You have the manufacturing aspect of it and the distribution aspect of it. The manufacturing aspect of it takes place in White Pearl, while the distribution aspect of it takes place in Lake Spring, St. Catherine. And they essentially manage over 110 brands with over 4,000 different products between the categories of beverage, groceries, and synthetic items. And one of the most popular things where if you got any cook shop place or whatever is foam. Like foam containers, like box food and everything. Plus, cups and plates and forks and everything. However, I'm still going into them products overall. I'm just going to tell you a little history. So it's a little bit long because a lot, but then try to concise it down as best as possible. So here goes. In 1921, Salim Mafu arrived in Jamaica, following the path of many ambitious young men seeking a better life. After marrying Evelyn Chamas in Lebanon in 1935, he returned to Jamaica and opened his first wholesale haberdashery in downtown Kingston on Harbour Street. The store supplied retailers with various goods including Bata sneakers, Sebo water boots, and other yard products. By 1962, the year of sailing passing, his business had generated sales exceeding £200,000. His four sons, Ferdinand, Sam Jr., Joe, and Robin, continued the family business, and in 1965, West Indies Synthetic Company, otherwise known as Wisynco, was founded, focusing on expanding their product reach into other territories such as Trinidad and Barbados. In 1985, Wisynco diversified by distributing beverages such as Caribbeer, Shandy, Cool, and Chubby from Trinidad. Soon after, the company began distributing Ocean Spray products. However, by 1996, Wisynco ceased distributing Carib Shandy, Cool, and Chubby. Instead, the company borrowed US $3 million and created a 10,000 square foot carbonated soft drink plant, giving birth to its now known bigger soft drink. Additionally, as conch was declared an endangered species in 1997, Wisynco exited the fishery sector as well. The company continued innovating, launching its purified water brand in 2000, to maintain the culture. And in 2006, Wisynco began distributing Coca-Cola products on a non-exclusive basis. Following 2 years, Wisynco partnered with Ocean Spray to create their Ocean Spray cranberry water. However, this collaboration ended in 2012. Afterwards, Wisynco expanded its portfolio in 2009 when Partner Food Limited and Wendico Jamaica merged, forming Wisynco Food Limited, representing brands like Wendy's, Domino's, and I can't pronounce this, Cajun Days in 2010. In 2010, Wisynco launched Boom Energy Drink and then acquired 50% stake in the United Eastern Limited and Tradewind Citrus Limited. As Wisynco approaches its 60th anniversary, the company continues to invest in expansion, offering new product line and increasing their distribution. Oh, and also, December 2017 was when they actually listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, at around $7 mash mash. But of course, you know that IPO was all oversubscribed. So there is that. Right, so now that we know the history of the company, what I'm actually do. Alright, so Wisynco products are categorized, or at least I categorize it into two main categories. Yes, you have manufacturing, and you also have the distribution side of it basically. So the manufacturing means that brands that they own, they make themselves, consist of water, bigger, can water, and boom. Right? And then what they distribute, basically Coca-Cola exclusives and the fast food chain, which, as if you listen to the history, you'd know that they own all the franchises that are in Jamaica for Wendy's, Cajun Days, and Domino's Pizza. And speaking of ice cream, Wisynco is partnering with Devanos to distribute. Well, they've been doing it, to be honest, to not only distribute it or allow it to be distributed like at certain outlets, but you can also like just go elsewhere to get Devanos ice cream. So it's been there, I guess, now that they're pushing it more of like going to supermarket so you can go buy like, I don't call it pub. I don't even know if to like buy some ice cream in like a supermarket rather than have to go to a retailer or stuff. So now as it stands, Wisynco really has three major partners. You have Coca-Cola for one, you have Worthy Park Estate, and you have Tradewind Citrus Limited. Alright, so Coca-Cola has enough brand, enough brand. More than 500 different brands. So some of the products that most Jamaicans probably know, maybe like Fanta, Powerade, Minute Maid, Sprite, Simple Juice, Smart Water, etc. etc. honestly. And then now Tradewind Citrus makes juice basically. Some of the more popular brands that you might know are True Juice, Fresh Juice Drink, Squeeze Drink, Wakefield Juice, I guess. And in the Worthy Park Estate is really them cultivate sugarcane and is a distillery, which based on the website they produce more than 30% of the sugar that is used in Jamaica. So there is that. Not only that, they produce like about 30% of the sugar in Jamaica. They also produce rum. It's like rum cream, vodka, vodka classic, vodka green apple, etc. etc. So there is that. But to make things a bit more easier, whatever Wisynco produce, whatever they partner, whether it's Coca-Cola, Tradewind Citrus, or the Worthy Estate, they really categorize it into different sections. Now, when we're in section, you have the beverage section, which I'm just going to put it on the screen because now I'm going to note all of this. You have Red Bull, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Malt, Welsh, Schweppes, Coke Diet, Dasani, Hawaiian Punch. I haven't seen Hawaiian Punch that many though, but yeah. Then you have for groceries, you have like Nestle, most of Nestle stuff them push out to. So Nestle Crunch, Butterfinger, Nature Valley, Creamy, which is another JC listed stock. Ferrero Rocher, on Pringles, Old El Pesto, Twix, Snickers, TikTok, etc. etc. So outside of beverages and the groceries and them something there, they also distribute things for Grace Foods. Um Ramen noodle, them distribute syrup and sweeteners. They also distribute stuff under personal care such as Colgate, Axe, Dove, yeah. And then like other toiletries and detergent. Um so there is that. In addition to the styrofoam boxes that I'm saying. So basically, more than likely any cook shop or fast food place you go, you're going to see some form of Wisynco products there. Whether it is the juice that I sell you, or the stuff that I'm using to make it, or simply the container where I'm actually put the food in. And the way how I do investing is really like simple companies. I like simple companies, they can be doing a lot. but it's supposed to be simple to understand. And this is it, because we're basically done with all of like the pointers. Basically, we're just going to go to the financials. So evidently they have several foundations as one of those big companies. So you're going to have like the Mafu Engineering Scholarship and different grants, etc., etc. And yes, it is a dividend paying company because it's rather big and stable. But I'm going to go into the financials more. Simple company, simplest company. So essentially, a quick breakdown. So basically, Wisynco at first usually sell shoes and other stuff for most the men would use per se. Shoes, water boots, etc. and fishery. However, they have since then moved from that and start doing other stuff. So they move past that now, and now they produce predominantly beverages and distribute other stuff for different companies overall because they have a better or more robust I don't even know what to say. They just have better distribution basically. So yeah, we're going to the financials. You will be surprised, but um yeah, so we'll just jump to the financial now without rambling.